What's up, this is Anna from techaply. Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm quickly show you how to put a wristband onto an action camera remote control under 1 minute. So let's get started. Alright, you got the wristbands like this. You got the remote control here, and here's the way how to do it. Okay, first step, you're gonna go and put this side in one side. Next step, go and put it in like this. Alright, you've got it like this. All right, put the remote control on your hand, and then all right, here you've got 2 ports. Okay, I'm gonna go in this port first and go on the other side like this to make a bow tie. Okay, so the bow tie will look like this. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos later on. Bye for now.